All right, so today we're gonna be using this paper. We're gonna be using our little pack of pieces. We're gonna be using scissors and a glue stick. So make sure you have all those things ready. Your white piece of paper, your little pack of pieces, your scissors, and a glue stick. You can press pause if you need to get those things. All right, so we read yesterday, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, right? And you watched the little video today. So we're gonna make our own coconut tree using our name. So right now, all I'm gonna take out of my bag are my 2 pieces of green paper. These are gonna be the leaves of my coconut tree. And you're gonna cut them out on the line the best you can. You should not be having grown-ups cut these out for you. You should be cutting these out yourself. So if you remember, the rhyme for the scissors go, open, shut, open, shut. That's the way I cut, cut, cut. Fingers on bottom, so all my fingers are in the bigger hole in the bottom. Thumb on top. Do not let your paper drop. So you're holding your paper with your other hand. Open, shut, open, shut. That's the way I cut, cut, cut. Fingers on bottom, thumb on top. Do not let your paper drop. So when you're done cutting them out, you should have 4 pieces. If you need to press pause, because I'm too fast, you can always press pause and press play again when you're ready. All right, so I'm done, but if you're not done, now's a good time for you to press pause. All right. So before we do any gluing, we're gonna write our name. So the top says, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Will there be enough room? And then it says, my name is. So on this line, you're gonna write your name. You can write your name with a pencil. You can write your name with a marker. I'm gonna let you decide how you want to write your name. So my name is, what does my thing say? Oh, my things say Erica. Remember, that's the name my mommy and daddy gave me when I was a baby? E-R-I-C-A. But you're writing your name. Do not write Erica, because that's not your name, okay? So put your name on that line, and then we're gonna get out all our little pieces. Now keep your pieces close to you so you don't lose any of them. I'm gonna get my glue stick ready. First, I'm gonna start with my trunk of my coconut tree. Remember in the story, the coconut tree started as a vertical line, and then as the letters were climbing up, it was slanting until it tipped over. It was getting too heavy. But today, we're just gonna glue it down. Oops, there's glue. My glue is getting chunky. We're just gonna glue it down as a nice vertical line. Right in the middle like that. Try not to cover up your name right here. We wanna still be able to see your name. And then we're gonna put on 4 of our palm branches. But here's something tricky. I don't want you to cover the letters at the top. Try not to cover up those letters at the top, okay? So I did 2 at the top, and then I'm gonna do 2 kind of going down like this. And then in the middle, I'm gonna make 1, 2, I'm gonna put my coconuts. These brown circles are the coconuts. All right, then you have letters that spell your name. You are going to put your letters in order going across your coconut tree. So I'm looking at my name and I see that my E is first. So I'm gonna make sure I put my first one kind of on this side. We're gonna try to put them in order. So you might want to kind of set them up first before you glue them. So you make sure you have enough room. So there's my name, E-R-I-C-A. I'm going to make sure they're in order. E-R-I-C-A. It is. Then it says at the very bottom, let me put my cap on my glue. At the very bottom it says, I have, and then this is a blank. There's nothing there. I have blank letters in my name. Ooh, so now we have to count. I'm going to count my letters, but you're going to be counting your letters. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this little box, I am going to write a 5. If you have 5 letters, you'll write a 5. But if you have 4 letters, you're going to write a 4. If you have 9 letters, you're going to write a 9. So I need you, if you don't know how to write your number, have mommy or daddy help you to show you how to write your number. Maybe they can write it for you on another piece of paper, and then they can show you. Or if it's really tricky, they can write it for you in pencil, and then you can trace it, okay? So you're doing your chicka chicka boom boom tree, and then you also have one more paper to do in your name packet. This one's easy. It says, I can spell my name. This says Miss Egnatuk, right? M-S for Miss, and then Egnatuk, E-G-N-A-T-U-K. And then you are just writing your name 3 times, all right?